Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of dental hygiene with a close look at one of the best accessories you can get for your oral care routine: the Access Flosser Refill Pack. Whether you're new to the world of flossing or a seasoned pro, this product promises convenience and effectiveness in maintaining your dental health. The Access Flosser Refill Pack is renowned for its innovation and ease of use. It's designed to fit perfectly with your Access Flosser, ensuring that every flossing session is not only efficient but also thorough. What sets this product apart is its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, making it a favorite among dental care enthusiasts. Let's break down what makes this refill pack a must-have. Firstly, it's crafted from premium materials that ensure durability and strength, yet it's gentle on gums, making it suitable for all users, including those with sensitive teeth. Each refill is designed for easy installation, so you spend less time fussing and more time flossing effectively. Now, you might be wondering why opt for the Access Flosser Refill Pack over others on the market. Well, it's simple. This product has garnered rave reviews for its reliability and performance. Users consistently praise its ergonomic design and how it seamlessly integrates into their daily dental routine. Whether you're at home or on the go, these refills provide the ultimate convenience without compromising on quality. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your oral care routine with a product that's not only effective but also affordable, look no further than the Access Flosser Refill Pack. It's designed to make flossing a breeze while ensuring your dental health remains a top priority. That wraps up today's review on the Access Flosser Refill Pack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products that matter to you. Until next time, keep smiling and take care of your teeth.